Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix yellowish display in your device. So let's get started. So you are facing this problem in your device where your device display turns all yellowish color and you want to fix that. So to fix that, what you can do is you can just turn off any of those options in your settings which are causing this problem. So now what you can do is simply open up your settings and then check if you have turned on your eye protection mode on. So what you can do is just simply open up your settings application, and now you can search for eye protection mode. So you can also find this feature in your settings menu. So just scroll down from the top of your screen. What you have to do is just scroll down, and after scrolling down you will come up to your quick settings menu, and from here you just have to search for this option which says eye protection. So if it's turned on, what you can do is just turn that option off, and by doing that you will fix your problem. But you can't find that option in your quick settings menu, then what you can do is just simply open up your settings application, and in search bar you can search for eye protection. So you can find this option which is eye protection. So now what you can do is just simply tap on this option, and after tapping on this option, now if it's turned on, what you can do is just simply turn it off. But it's a good feature. So what this feature does is it will protect your eyes from harmful rays from your screen. So if you don't want to turn this feature off, then what you can do is, so by tapping on that option which is eye protection, you can find this slider menu, and from here what you can do is just turn it all the way up, and by turning it all the way up you can see your screen turns all yellowish. So what you can do is just simply scroll down and adjust the color the way you like. But if you want to turn off this option, you can always do that by tapping on this option which is eye protection, and you can find this button which you can toggle it off, and by toggling it off you will just turn off this feature, and you will see that you have fixed your problem. But if this was not the case and you're still facing a problem that your screen is yellowish, then what you can do is just come back to your settings and then check few of those options that you might have turned on. So now what you can do is just scroll down and open up your quick settings section, and from here what you can do is check if you have turned on your invert color option on. So if it's turned on, what you can do is just turn it off. You can also check if you have turned on your dark theme. So if it's turned on, you can always turn it off. So after checking that, you might have fixed your problem, but it still hasn't fixed your problem. Then what you can do is you have to check if you have turned on your extra dim option and your bedtime mode. So if your bedtime mode is turned on, then your display will be in black and white color. So what you can do is just simply turn off this, which is bedtime mode. So after checking all the following options, you might have fixed your problem. But if you are still facing those issues in your display, then what you can do is in your settings you have to search for color correction. So you can find this option in your settings. What you can do is just simply turn on this option which is color correction. So you shouldn't turn on, you should turn off this option. So if this option is turned on, you might find some issues with your color in your device. So your red color will be all dimmed, and you might find this problem in your device. So what you can do is just simply turn off this option, and by turning off this option you will probably fix your problem. So just make sure that you have turned this option off, and by turning it off you will probably fix your problem. So that's it guys, this is how to fix yellowish display in your device. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.